In the ancient hills of Rome, where the gods walked among mortals in whispers of wind and shadow, there lived a white owl named Alba. Her feathers gleamed like the marble temples of the eternal city, and her eyes held the piercing wisdom of the ages. Alba was no ordinary bird, she was the favored companion of Minerva, the goddess of wisdom and strategy, who often appeared with an owl perched on her shoulder as a symbol of foresight and intellect. One fateful twilight, as the sun dipped below the Tiber River, Jupiter, the king of the gods, grew restless. A dark prophecy had foretold a shadow creeping over Olympus, a force of chaos born from forgotten envy. Jupiter summoned Minerva to his thunderous hall on Mount Olympus. "Daughter," he boomed, his voice echoing like rolling storms, "the balance of our realm teeters. Mortals forget our names, turning to new fates. You, with your keen mind, must seek the source." Minerva, clad in her gleaming armor and helmet adorned with olive branches, nodded solemnly. She called upon Alba, her loyal white owl, who had been gifted immortality by the goddess herself. "Fly swift and silent, my faithful one," Minerva instructed. "Scout the lands below and bring word of this encroaching darkness." Alba took to the skies, her wings cutting through the starlit night like a ghost. She soared over the Forum, past the Colosseum's ruins, and into the wild forests beyond Rome. There, she discovered the culprit, Discordia, the goddess of strife, who had been banished long ago but now plotted revenge. Hidden in a cavern, Discordia brewed a potion from stolen thunderbolts and bitter herbs, intending to sow doubt among humans, making them abandon the old gods forever. With a soft hoot that carried across the winds, Alba alerted Minerva. The goddess descended in a flash of divine light, confronting Discordia. "Sister of chaos," Minerva declared, her spear raised, "your envy ends here. Wisdom shall prevail over discord." A fierce battle ensued, Minerva's strategic strikes against Discordia's wild fury. Jupiter watched from afar, his lightning ready, but he trusted his daughter's intellect. In the climax, Alba swooped in, her white form blinding Discordia with reflected moonlight. Minerva seized the moment, shattering the potion and binding Discordia in chains of olive vines. Peace returned to the gods' domain, and the mortal's faith flickered back to life, at least for a time. Grateful, Jupiter blessed Alba with a constellation in her image, forever watching over the night sky. Minerva, ever the wise one, kept her owl close, a reminder that even in the face of vanishing glory, loyalty and insight endure. And so, on quiet Roman nights, those who gaze upward might see Alba's stars wink, whispering tales of gods who never truly fade.